like to guide everyone on how to replace HeroPro Air Purifier's filter. When you open up the box, you will see two filters inside. First one is the white HEPA 13 medical filter, and the other one is the black photocatalyst and carbon filter. So next, we will have to turn this HeroPro around, and we will have to remove the plastic cover of the filter inside. So firstly, we have to remove this cover. So now we need to insert these filters into the air purifier. So firstly, we have to make sure that the words are facing outside. Same as this, the words facing outside. And make sure this is facing up too. We have now completed the steps of replacing the filter. So final step, we just have to long press the reset button for 10 seconds to reset the lifespan of the new filter.